Station we love you. Whoa.
Big up the Love Day Radio.
Whoa. Big up the Love Day Radio. Whoa. Big up the Love Day Radio. Whoa. You never see them now.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop the gun, lose me feel. Then me want hear me mother drink sorry.
So as I said, we don't put a room on this side, and the bathroom right here, a room here and then a little veranda section there, so we don't cut out, when there's bathroom occurs, so we don't cut out a door inside there, so you can enter the bathroom from inside. One here so enter the room from here, so then inside, you don't part it and divide it to get a room to that side.
Okay.
And we can put two windows on the other side around here. So. We have one for the bathroom and two for the room. And one more window on this side and one for the van. Look at the window over there, so.
Yeah.
And then slab it off.
Yeah, slab off the top.
Yeah, because already slab, so you don't just continue with the slab. And come across. Right. So actually, another room can add on.
Yeah.
The bathroom and the barn and part inside and get another room.
Another room inside.
So you don't have that section as a living room.
Okay.
Side, you know?
Yeah.
Thing you can do, you know, living room and kitchen in one. You understand?
Yeah.
You can do that. You have two little partitions inside where you can just lick out and open up.
And open it up?
Yeah, open it up and set it where you set it.
Yeah, make a lot of sense.
Yeah, so almost like the length height at 22, so we can divide up that and thing, so we can live by them.
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
Well, the rain falls, so you know, so people have a pause it and go. Not sure rain there for the camera, so catch it back again, yeah? Dream team.
One team.
Oh, there.
We have two teams. One team. So big down. One team.
Gin. And then shades. Well, a beer in the power star.
I'm sorry, I don't get that off the farm.
I have to give thanks to the rain, you know, sir.
Show of blessings.
Blessing just come by to us. God do everything off our money, you know?
Yeah. Can see there? We're done with Jokey Place.
Yeah.
Jesus. Never can sleep, see him again.
Yeah.
The kitchen.
So soon start the kitchen. Whoa, kitchen.
Whoa, chef.
Whoa, chef. And the kitchen been a one team up on it, yeah?
Which team?
Dream team.
Which team?
Dream team.
One team. Yeah, man.
Yeah. So we have big up all the donors them.
Yeah.
And all the viewers them.
Yeah.
And all the donors them when I reach out yet. We're going to reach out soon.
Gotta make everyone up on the board, man. Throw the board big with every can cause so much team. Thanks to everybody I met. Beautiful man. Beautiful man. Life and
Everybody
wait, so you put the word doing the thing on the shop.
yes, I like on the shop.
Right on the board, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Nobody, you know.
The church, everybody, you know.
The board are set different.
No one has board.
The board is not a joking board.
Yeah, it's serious board.
I want to talk that thing and
Yeah.
everything.
The
board of straight.
Straight.
Beautiful.
Chill, we got nothing.
Yeah, man.
I don't know, we got asked one of them same way for reach out for the wow chef on that journey.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Because you know, say,
Yeah,
three mission have accomplished.
Definitely.
Straight, you know.
Because you know, without the food, The dream team I got weak. Is the man say so the kitchen up up. The hygiene up up.
There's some dumpling Rashid right now in the weather.
Backside I forgot man. Backside is stretch. You have a box too.
You want a ball?
Yes, man. I put them on and dumpling and bump again.
Yeah. So Jen.
Yeah.
So I go on with the hygiene.
Let's see how I go with my wife, man. That's it.
Cool man.
Choppings are low.
Dark shades like real child.
Yeah.
Don't teeth a laugh there. If somebody say your teeth cartel laugh, you know, so you don't want to body your teeth.
You see laugh?
Yeah.
Cartel will have said don't teeth a laugh there, you know.
Yeah.
Him name Adi now, Ali have it now.
Alright.
You see me, I said that's all I have to say, teeth the laugh. You see me, I said, if I know Adi one, Ali. You see?
Yeah.
Man, cartel again, man.
Yeah.
No, cartel enemy.
Let cartel elevate, man, for the time being.
Yeah.
So him a tell me, say, don't make nobody teeth it.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, so all I do now, them can't
Yeah. I know we're going to big up on radio station in Canada.
Yeah.
We're representing full straight on the radio.
Whoa.
Love Beer, Afrobeat, Music Talk Radio.
Love beer.
So get my voice now, man. Up there.
Station.
Yeah.
Welcome to the station. Alongside the Love Beer Station. Alongside the Love Beer Station. Alongside the Love Beer Station. Somebody tell me.
Check it out. Love Beer.
talent on there. Full of talent. I don't work alone. We can do the talent, you know. So I said, so radio station, just big up on us.
Yeah, Love Beer, Afrobeat. Music Talk in Canada. Big them up.
God, big up yourself, sexy.
Yeah, sexy day. Whoa.
Sexy.
Scrap a day, baby. You don't worry, man. No problem.
Yo, I go on. Oh, that shine so.
Love beer, here come the gin team. Here come the youth named Pierrot. Here come the youth named Catsman. Here come the girl named Luke. Here come the youth named Faster. Here come the youth named Diamond. Here the general. The general. Here come the chief named Kino. We are the gin team youth. Station, we love you.
Big up the Love Beer Radio.
Big up the Love Beer Radio. Big up the Love Beer Radio.
You know, say them now drug politician. Full of politician.
Big up the donors, them say.
Big up all the donors. Big up all the donors, them yo. Man from Canada.
Man from Bo.
Man from England.
Man from Bo.
Girl from America.
Girl from Bo.
Girl from Japan.
Girl from Bo.
Turn up the gym team.
Turn up Bo.
Turn up the love station.
Name Bo.
Big up all everybody. 1111. Gym team. We're going to trench town. No matter what a gun and a gun do it. Music, music, talent beat. And a gun in a trench town you with a music. Yeah man,
That's why I pick up this station. Whoa.
Big up the Love Beer Station.
Whoa. Big up the Love Beer Station. Whoa.
You know, so that station then now. Whoa.
Big up Love Beer.
Whoa. Alright,
Radio
so,
station, them get that. Them get that clip.
yeah, them get that.
Them get that clipping.
So, Jin, have a donation for you from Angela from the USA. $6,000.
Alright. Alright, Angela, all for love and respect, blessings.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really appreciate it. Go from my heart, blessings.
Yes,
Beautiful.
one team.
Great thing.
And you also have Coxman
Yeah.
from Moffett and that from Moffett Data Onika from New York. $2,000 from Moffett Data
All the
Onika.
Buffett data, Onika from New York. Dream team, they are putting the work, you know. One team.
Dream team.
Love and respect goes out. Your food
Yeah,
basket
man.
never empty, baby.
Yeah.
They are the
Straight.
good one.
I have Talpi.
Whoa.
This is from Julia from the UK. $2,000
Wow,
from Julia.
beautiful Julia, what a nice name in Pierre.
No, tell them
Yeah, my bless
you
not Julia, hold it up from my heart, you know.
Straight.
Keep the strength, hear that? One
Man,
thing,
boy,
dream
no,
team.
you know?
Anything you have.
Julia, yeah.
You have Lem Diamond
Oh God.
Oh,
Jesus.
from Moffett Data Onika
Oh, Jesus.
from New York.
Yes.
$2,000.
Yeah.
Moffett and our daughter.
No, Moffett Data.
Moffett daughter. And her family from Europe. Let's
New
give
York.
thanks to this New York. Oh,
Yeah.
when me not like saying boy,
A boy I said
New York,
New York,
me
New
can't
York.
say New York, but Moffett and her family
Twice.
big up.
Twice.
Give thanks to this, you know.
Yeah,
All of
sure.
God bless them guys, man. Big up all I do and them on the board and come on, man. You can't call too much name.
Too much to call.
Yeah, man, I love and guide and
The
bless
chef
them.
said I put them name
Yeah,
on the
man,
shop.
my all of the name I go on the shop. I want big board.
Alright.
You see me just give thanks, man. God protect you and guide on the same way, man.
Well gone.
Keenan, tweet, Mike, your God is a good youth, this man.
Yeah.
I look him come look for me have a chief is do this man.
Yeah, man.
So me have
Straight.
just, I don't know police,
Put
I
it
take
there.
away my goods, it has stressed me. Give me all it me I pay for me and eat for.
Yeah.
So me have just kick in on me heart.
Yeah.
Put in work and give thanks to
Yeah,
them,
man. For real.
Yeah,
Yes,
thanks.
yeah, you
Bless
got
up.
that.
Yeah.
One team and a gin.
One team.
One gin. No more gin.
No more.
All them other them can't stop gin, eh?
And you
And
also
God send everybody to him, man.
Yeah.
One God, man. Papa
Sure.
Jesus. No more God, man.
and you also have Paragon as well from the USA, Lem.
Oh,
$2,000
for a God.
from Paragon.
Thanks in our virgin.
Shit.
More love and strength.
Sure.
God and
Yeah,
protect
yeah,
and family them, you know?
Yeah.
God a God.
Yeah, that's-
One God and a Papa Jesus. No more God.
yeah.
Right, man. And them alone can touch Dream Team youth, man.
Yeah, man.
All of them are the Dream
More
Team.
blessing.
Dream team to the world. One team. Dream team.
More blessing, man. A more blessing, man.
More than people.
See me say, all I do that, a more blessing, man. You see?
Say we are working now.
See me say, and we are putting in the work,
Oh, yeah, man.
and the work, it'll look good. We are putting in the work, and the work will look good.
They go to the radio station there again. You don't get thing of that.
Love me
Yeah,
Africa.
we don't the radio station there. See, I get to that.
I'm
Simple.
Watch out, man. Remember the station there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man. Name love you.
Yeah, can't forget it.
Yeah,
Yeah, egg man.
Big up again, love.
Alright.
Lovely.
I hear the man what you
We
want.
also have Wow Chef.
Who? It's a
Wow Chef as well
Yeah,
too.
man, you know?
From Moffett Data
Moffett data.
Onika.
Yeah, man.
$2,000 from New York. Your place.
Moffett data from New York. Twice, you know?
Yeah.
Boy, I'm on for two New York there now, over this and
So
this.
that's $2,000 for
Yeah, man, you see?
each.
Yeah, one each, you see?
Yeah, New York.
New York City. Yeah, man. Moffett data. Only for respect, you know?
Yeah.
Only for
I
respect.
also have
Which country again?
New York, man, twice.
Yeah, yeah, tell me. See, say Africa, yeah.
Yeah, man, in Africa. New York. New York.
Alright.
So I say, left from Africa right now, bean and rice. We left on that. New York, straight subway.
What? Where's the one go?
Straight subway.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
So you have Carrot Juice Man and wife, K,
Juice man and wife.
from Canada.
Canada.
$2,000. Carrot Juice Man and wife.
Carrot juice wife.
Man,
Man and wife.
Yeah,
Only for
okay.
respect, man. You see?
yeah, see there.
So my joke coming like carrot.
I have,
No, pine. Put pine and carrot.
Good
yo.
man.
I have John. You have John and Karen from Seaview Garden, who living in the US. $5,000 to the material.
New York, New York.
Material. When I see it, I'm keen on them done with it, man.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, Yeah, man, I want a material like a buy, you know.
How you mean?
They are going to put in the work.
Man, you see?
One pulp of porridge like a boy truck.
Yeah. Have to go on
So when they wear some soup on the wall, but one thing will put small than that.
And the soup.
Nice.
Yeah, well, I'm saying they out the big pot. They rinse it out.
Man say you have to get a pot that.
But the thing is,
They make it work, make it share.
Yeah, man, but the pot that.
you know, it was an okra soup, you know. It's a baby soup, but it's just a small pot. One get a war. The soup, it named to be continue.
Yeah.
So you have a cook over back, you know. In a better, bigger pot.
Yes.
So you can carry a bowl, no cup.
Bowl.
Yeah, man,
have a drink.
you know.
Soup bowl.
Yeah.
Man, you talk carry man.
It's gonna chop.
Yeah, man, I chop it up.
Yeah, man, soup bowl.
One thing.
Because I'm gonna drink one cup. When you drink the 1 cup, you don't know stuff. So this bad. And a 1 cup me get. You want a bowl.
Straight to the line, man.
Alright, so you also have Julia from the UK, $5,000.
Julia from the UK.
Yeah.
Shop have a fix in the rain.
$5,000.
Yeah.
Can't come
You
in,
okay?
you know, yeah?
Yeah, man, John, I hear never name say, you know.
Yeah, man, one
Yeah,
God,
man.
man.
Yeah, man.
Okay,
Okay.
so you don't know what going. See me I say?
Okay.
All heap of builder go on, man. Big up the builder. When you
Teacher, don't do that, boy. Don't do that. Teacher, do that.
And then you see me?
Teacher.
And then they forget the
Big up the teacher. Big up the teacher. Yeah, man, big up the teacher. I mean.
One bar,
teacher.
One barger, no other barger.
The teacher, man. Yeah, man. I come on the ground tomorrow.
Jin. Where's that? How you drink this man? Remember last tea this morning?
Remember last tea?
Alright,
Drink a
so
Lipton tea bag, you know.
yeah. And I will say man the one thing. So boy, you still have a donation from Marian from Bronx. $10,000 towards the material, see me. Marian from Bronx.
We shop have a bill.
Beautiful.
Who Marian from Bronx, so don't do the thing I have, so I go up, so you hear me I say? Shop I go up, man, or yourself, man. Yeah?
How
Shop
can
I go up, man.
Shit, I'm running. I'm to my car,
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so that they to be continue.
Continue.
We can
I'm the genius.
Yeah, I'm today, I'm tomorrow, I'm anytime.
Anytime.
Yeah, man. You see me I say?
Donuts them again, you know.
Shit, yeah, my donor from America, England. Shit, man. Shit, man.
I call the church and pray for we are pray for the church.
Yeah, Roosevelt.
We are pray for everybody with the church. All the church member them. You see me I say?
Yes.
We donate the thing, man. You see it?
Dennis, happy birthday.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, yeah, sister.
Yeah. Felicia, big up yourself.
Yeah, one team, you know.
One team. Three, big up yourself also, you know. Mikey. Respect that way over some of them, you know.
And don't forget.
Sexy baby, my friend. Nah, let's go.
Pick up Keen and see him.
We don't need donuts, still the food are possible.
Without the Almighty.
Left God, man.
Yeah, left him out.
Come here, man. Come here, anything you can do, man.
Yeah.
I'm going to create a loan can touch Kino and Vex.
Right.
Man,
Understand that, JT? Yeah, man, I'm going to create a loan can touch Kino and Vex.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Let's say a word of prayer now.
yeah, man.
Drop a word of prayer.
Pastor can lead it out.
Yeah, man.
Father God, as we gathered here today in Jinjin House, where you guide and protect all of the donors and overseas, Father God. Guide and protect all of my family members around here, Father God, even the dream team. In Jesus' precious name we pray. Amen. Amen.
Start and spice. One team.
One team. active.
Prayer day, you know.
Keep the devil away.
One prayer day, you see me? I say, let God
Jin. Talk shit like Ray Charles. Right, man.
Same way, you know. So you can add to this, although you watch it and you love it same way. You know yourself.
Marvin Morgan, anyway, them general. Hello, my friend there. Big up. Naval Brown.
One magic, you know. Marvin. Big up
Naval
the
Brown.
teacher.
No more
Big
magic.
up to.
Big up the teacher.
That's the new villain.
Who in a UK too, you know? What I do now then?
Yeah, man.
Big up the donors them. Whoa.
Big up, what I do now?
Big up the donors them. Say whoa.
Big up the donors them. Big up the donors them. Big up the donors them. Big up the chef already.
All who no come on board.
All who no come on board. Come no. All who no come on board. Come no.
God had to send them on board.
Come no.
God had to do it for them.
Come
No.
See where them are doing now.
No.
Alright.
Love be Afro.
And I want big up back to same way, we not left here now. And your wife. And I want big up
Nah, man, and them.
Nama and your wife.
Octavia.
Octavia. Big up everybody.
Like what we said, you see what I said? We have to go get a tall board, you know.
Yeah.
Name them.
Tell the fan boy a shop. Tell the fan boy shop. It's gonna be a...
It's not no ply.
No.
Start the text.
Tell me what it is.
Wait.
What is the teacher going to do something special?
Special.
Keep them special to dream team.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
You like special things.
Alright.
Yeah,
Exclusive. Yeah. In our...
Glass up.
It can't broke or nothing.
And I.
All my son, they are
So one team. One team. Real team. You know what I'm saying?
Give thanks to the owners them again, isn't it?
Yes, man.
One love and respect, kind and protection, isn't it?
Alright.
Exactly. You know, bless up yourself, brother.
You know, say I'm on the back.
There, no?
Wagwan. Plummy.
Yeah.
Wagwan, Plummy. Wagwan, boom face, Plummy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Smile.
Gloria.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, give thanks. I have pot here.
Yeah.
As usual.
Yeah.
So, how things different, the Gloria? How you feeling?
But
Not too bad.
look up.
How you on?
Not too bad.
The Anna give you one time, same here.
My time cool, yeah. Too cool.
You have to work it out. January. So, Pat, how things otherwise though?
It's alright, so good so far, you know, not as I would have wanted to,
Yeah.
but to have bigger thanks. It's my mercy, you know.
Yeah, true.
I hope for the best.
Yeah, because we hope for the best.
Yes,
bro.
as long as there is life, there is hope, so.
Yeah. And as I mentioned, we asked Donna them, because they want a fridge for Gloria, so she can store her medicine them, because without the fridge, them spoil when them open, don't they?
Yeah, when them pull one, you know, they on the fridge, it good until it open.
Till it open.
Well, as long as it open, it have to go in the fridge.
Yeah. So that really need to sort out, because I say, man, Gloria is a lady who help a lot of kids in the community and a lot of people. You understand? I mean, I love if she can get the help, because they're really grateful right now. If she can get the help, if she can at least get the fridge, if she can try to do something for herself. You understand? And she have plumbing as well. He have mental problem as well too. Him 200. And the way that say cause that, he just go in bed and wake up just like this.
Just like that. Him and his mother.
And I see something with Gloria.
She went to doctor.
Yeah.
And then give a private doctor and then give her a letter to go down by public.
Yeah.
Because she have this foot problem.
Yeah.
And Them give her injection this Saturday night.
Yeah.
And the Sunday morning she wake up, she cannot walk.
She cannot walk.
No, just an injection.
Just
She said she don't know who gave her the injection and she just knows that she get a stick.
Yeah.
And when her son carried down there the Monday, them says the medication. And as soon as the medication finish, she'll be able to walk. And that is around 3 years ago now.
Yeah. Oh. And from that,
She's like this.
I'm plummy.
But if you look in her face, you know, you can say she don't really look sick, you know.
Yeah, you know.
But I just see at that side here.
Just gone, left side.
Yes, and it says left side. She uses left-handed. She's a left-handed person.
Yeah.
So you know she can.
And the part where she use is damaged.
Yes.
Mostly.
Yeah.
And plumbing now, you never get a chance for the doctor to find out one problem. Because then again now the income had the problem now there, so.
That's the problem, you know.
Because the father really a try.
Yeah, because remember so when Gloria did up, she was looking after children.
Yeah.
And she got sell a little some kind of biscuit and them things.
Yeah.
Yeah, but through that and now she can
Do that.
She can't do that anymore because she can't make the socks up, she can't. And he can't do it neither because he just look on the socks up. And the syrup on the bag and stand up and laugh over it because that's all he does, stand up and look at things and laugh.
Yeah.
Even sometimes when they might cook, he just stand up and watch the food and go up and laugh.
Wow. So really need to get that check out with plumbing. You know? Yeah man, because we really need, because it can't just stay like this. Because it's going to get worse if you not really make him get that check out. You know, so I know what doing out there will definitely try and see that some cars can come towards the condition right now, because Gloria gonna definitely need the air car, she gonna need the fridge. But she can store her insulin for them after she take and she put down the rest. Because it was spoiled after and plumbing. Situation can't be like that.
Medication, you know, she take medication for sugar.
And then that over there, so?
Yes.
Oh, so then that the injection?
These are the needle. Yeah, and these are the insulin.
Okay,
but them good now until them pull. Whenever them pull, this has to go in the fridge. And this is our pressure tablet, heart tablet, circulation tablets, and pressure tablets and cholesterol tablets and nurse tablets for the foot also. Yeah.
So we have 2 donation phone as well too. Gloria. We have 2 donation for you, so at least you can try to help out something towards some situation part. Yeah, till when time we can get a donor and we can find out the price for our fridge. Yeah, so we can assist her with a fridge so she can at least store that insulin inside it. So we have $6,000 from Angela from the USA. Yeah, so that's $6,000 from Angela from the USA. Yeah, it's from Angela from the USA.
Thanks, Angela.
And may your basket,
may your basket maybe
never empty.
Never empty.
Never empty.
God prosper.
God prosper you. And bless you.
Yeah. And you also have $4,000 from Lady from Cooper Street from America. $4,000 from Lady from Cooper Street.
$4,000. Thanks.
Thanks.
And may God bless you.
And may God bless you and prosper you, man.
Yeah.
And make your basket
never empty.
Never empty.
Yeah, man, give thanks. Because the struggle is really real, you know. Situation, plumbing. You see, this is plumbing. I'm always like this. So plumbing, yeah. Always a smile. So, I tell you about, that's really a weird situation for you know, say you go to bed and you wake up. That's why I'm really grateful for life, you know, and give thanks for what I have, you know, because
when you go to your bed and when you wake up and you can move your hand, your foot, you can move your body, you have to give God thanks.
You have to give God thanks because you never know what may happen.
Never know what tomorrow may be.
You understand, and really want to get the situation sorted out with plumbing. because he's not on no medication, he's not on nothing at all. And it can't go like that. He really need to depend on some form of medication, he really need to depend on some form of checking, you understand? Because it can't really stay like that, because it only get worse if it not treat. You see, because nobody know what happened. And Gloria really need the help. And as I said, Larry, the job we might do, minimum wage we might get is
$6,000 a week.
$6,000 a
I
week.
know my lady will come look after her daytime. My friends so she not really charge her because nobody now work for $3,000 a week.
Yeah.
But that's 6 days a week.
Yeah, 6
And she
days.
come here 6 days a week. Right? So it's just like she get a little donation and I only get like $6,000 a week.
Yeah.
Right? But him son, like him pay this week, his son pay the other week.
Yeah.
You know, see, but when him pay it, no, out of the $6,000, he give them $3,000.
That's really rough on the son as well too, because you know say in a steady income
No,
neither.
not steady income, but him do
Try
what
him
he can
best.
do.
Yeah, him try him best. So that's why we really have to ask the donor them to reach out upon Gloria's situation.
And if he never stay so, and when he used to work, he used to get a little thing, a weekend time, buy little things from, he don't know say, no, but he can't work, she can't do nothing, so just Larry alone, you know, one hand can't clap.
Yeah,
You
true.
need 2 hands to clap.
Yeah, for real. And how long now this happened?
She have around 3 years now.
Yeah.
4 years.
4 years now.
And also,
So,
And then sometimes, you know, him stray.
yes.
Cause like the mind not there, so more time him all day in the back of the yard, then sometimes I feel run him down and say go up on the front. Stay around on the front cause like him mind.
Yeah.
2 times police nearly backbeat him, you know, and somebody save him the 2 times. Because them ask him question in the answer and just stand up and I laugh.
And I laugh.
And poor them not really know say I sick him sick.
Yeah, for real, because them don't know, so they may assume anything.
Like him up, sometimes man just wander when him just...
And sometimes we just the oldest up on the veranda and I keep Gloria calling him. Every time I say I go, I keep Gloria calling him. Nah, and then just a smile.
Yeah.
So you can know say the nerves kind of...
Mind straight.
Yeah, straight.
So that really need to take a check out. You know? That really need to check out. So like, you might plug me how much now?
24?
24. So, see, such a young age as well too, you know. Such a really need to really ask the donor them, because these are the situations that we can't turn a blind eye upon. You see me, because I'm a long way ahead of him, same way. And Gloria still there, you see me, I try to make ends meet in a fair situation. And the husband, Larry, $6,000 a week. What we can't really do with that? Because food for cook and all them little things and see them way. So sometimes you have to really wonder really how going, because of course, because that's the reason why now him now can't get a chance to go to doctor, because he can't find the money for him go to doctor.
No, because we can't stretch.
And look how long now, 4 years now, and the situation still remain the same. So that means I really need to get a check out to see how I go on. So once I don't reach, yeah, we can sort it out. We make liquor we bring him.
Yeah.
We'll check it out. Once we can get someone to support the income on that, so we can find out how I go on with plumbing. Because it really need for him, yeah. Because I say, man, Gloria, she help a lot of kids and a lot of people in the community. Yeah. Me as a local boy, yes, I'm come eat food. Because I'm supposed to have kids that grow up in a Gloria bed.
Me and my son grow around the same.
Yeah.
My 2 will grow around.
Yeah, 2. Yeah. Because on the bed, they have 10 pitney.
10 pitney. You say, look,
yeah.
People, wholly for kids.
Head there so,
yeah,
foot there so, head there so.
As a witness, can tell us that used to happen.
But see it as a look you, man.
Yeah, man, and every
See
day
now
come
this now, kinda, you know.
Touching, man.
Every day, if it's not a pot
Not
of
a
cabbage
lazy
porridge,
lady.
it's a pot
Always
of
a
soup.
good.
Macaroni and mackerel.
Cheese, alright.
Yeah, macaroni and mackerel, rice and
sometimes some of
mackerel.
the kids them come, the parents don't have nothing for left kidding.
She not
She not turn them back. She make everybody
Even
belly
after
full.
even when them forget pay if them not no money, go and not turn them back. And every parents they get for love when they touch Christmas, they should get a gift them. Every children is to stay here. And then some people them did really love and them did miss her car. Enough parents can't pay. Children fee out the road and she usually cheap. She usually cheap.
Definitely somebody will reach out for your situation cause so him can go doctor and find out the problem. Larry, come in, Governor. Cause the people them I talk about you as well, you know, the husband. Them say what them say the one you lift up Gloria and I put her up on the bed, them say enough man in a year situation with a gun knowing that what she a go through. You see me? And what we see you lift her up and put her up on the bed and every man I go stay around for see the need of them wife or whosoever them there with if you go through that. And 4 years now. So really thank you for the good work what you have to see me and still stick by them side. You see me and plumb me up so really understand the situation where I go on and we're going to try our best we are doing and somebody can reach out towards the cause. You understand? Because I really know you're like a long time you have tried. You see me? Hard working man. I mean I tell you I really love that for so when you lift up Gloria and put her up on the bed, you know?
Sean, how much, Larry?
32.
Alright, China 32 and them was together before even them first son born, so you know so enough
years. Yes, about 40 years. Or 34 years. 34 years.
China 34, but
China 33.
Okay.
34 years now since they've been together.
Oh yes, 34 years and we've been together and that's a long time. Still they fight the fight, see me Larry, I'm not lying. I really forget to start out from the situation as well, you know? So you can go to a doctor and get the check out. I mean, we don't have them now to turn a blind eye. Because even though we know the corona time and everybody out there at work, situation kind of tough on the people them overseas. So we still see no matter how small it is, we're going to be grateful and so we can add up and make this thing work. You understand? Because the people them really try them best as well. Because through corona make enough things can't really happen because the people them can't work. So we have to give thanks to doing them so far or reach out. Blessings to Angela and blessings to the lady on Cooper Street. So we the dream team and continue going with the good work, see me? Yes. And we definitely go and pray for you. So know the viewers them Gloria going to put you and Plummy and also Larry and them prayers to hope for the best. You understand it will happen. And Pat really like how you always did beside Gloria for years. I always did support her, see me? I really like that, you know? So we are continue Plummy. No real man, everything is alright. Yeah, Gloria? Yeah. So we catch you back again. Definitely you see me soon, yeah? We'll try to start out some grocery fair. As well to when time to do a reach out, so we make it up some grocery.
Yeah. To the time code, no should keep it
okay. Yeah, alright then, so we're going to try and start that out for you. Yeah, Gloria, definitely.
Yeah.
So you see me soon upon that. We're going to start that out for you. Yeah? Take care.
Smiler.
Smiley.
Governor, big up yourself, yeah?
Governor, things.
Yes,
yeah.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.